Oceans do feel alive, don't they? There are 5 oceans on Earth, and each one has its own music.
This must be the Atlantic Ocean, right?
You were talking about continents. Let's visit other continents. Are you ready?
Yes! It feels chilly here.
That's because this is Antarctica, the coldest continent. Hello, kids! I'm Captain AHS. Ever wanted to sail across giant oceans or hop from one big land to another without even packing a suitcase? Get ready to spin the world with us and uncover the wonders of continents and oceans, one splash and stomp at a time.
Sister Dua, this ocean sounds like it's breathing.
Oceans do feel alive, don't they? There are 5 oceans on Earth, and each one has its own music.
This must be the Atlantic Ocean, right?
Yes. It hugs North and South America on one side and Europe and Africa on the other. It's wide and wavy.
So 5 oceans. What are the others?
There's the Pacific, the deepest and calmest. The Indian Ocean, which is warm and busy. The Arctic Ocean, all icy and quiet. And the Southern Ocean, swirling around Antarctica.
I think whales sing lullabies in the Pacific. And dolphins dance in the Indian Ocean. Water wave. I want to explore more about other continents.
Hey, Sorrow and Mina.
Hello, Captain AHS.
You were talking about continents. Let's visit other continents. Are you ready?
Yes! It feels chilly here.
That's because this is Antarctica, the coldest continent. It's covered in snow and ice, and not many people live there.
Do any animals live here?
Yes, penguins and seals live in Antarctica. It's cold, but they're used to it. This is Australia. Australia has unique animals like kangaroos and koalas.
Wow! That's interesting.
This is South America. It has big rainforests, like the Amazon, where many animals and plants live.
So, each continent looks different?
Yes! South America has thick forests, while continents like Australia have deserts and grasslands.
Every continent is special in its own way.
This is North America. North America has amazing cities and natural wonders like the Grand Canyon.
So, we have Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia?
Exactly, Mina! Each one has different people, animals, and landscapes. Together, They make our world exciting and full of surprises.
I think all the continents are amazing. Exactly.
Now it's the time for quiz. Which of the following is not a continent? Option A, Antarctica. Option B, Atlantic. Option B is correct. Some names might sound like continents but are actually oceans. If you are standing on the west coast of South America and looking at the ocean, which ocean are you seeing? Option A, Pacific Ocean. Option B, Atlantic Ocean. Excellent. Option A is correct. The west coast of South America faces the largest and deepest ocean, which is the Pacific Ocean. Which picture shows the continent of Australia? Hint: Australia is a continent and a country mostly surrounded by the Indian and Pacific Oceans. Good job! Option A is correct. The Indian Ocean touches the continent of South America. Is this statement true or false? This statement is false. The Indian Ocean touches Asia, Africa, and Australia, not South America. There are 7 continents and 5 oceans on Earth. Is this statement true or false? Yes, this statement is true. Good job, kids! Next time, we'll be riding waves and hopping across continents like world explorers. Stay tuned for more globetrotting fun. Until then, keep your compass ready and your eyes on the map. Our next quest is just around the corner. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.